Hey everyone, if you're having trouble signing into Miro in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you several easy ways to fix common Miro login issues. First, login problems are usually caused by incorrect passwords, browser issues, cache files, or temporary server outages. Double-check that you're entering the correct email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password option and follow the instructions sent to your email. Make sure your internet connection is stable before attempting to log in again. Corrupted cache files can interfere with login sessions. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Browser extensions such as ad blockers and VPN tools can sometimes block authentication. Use an incognito or private browsing window to rule out browser-related problems. If the problem continues, switch to another browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Sometimes Miro's servers may be temporarily unavailable. Wait a few minutes and try again. For smoother sign-ins, use a secure password, keep your browser updated, and enable two-factor authentication if available. A common mistake is repeatedly entering the wrong password, which can temporarily lock access to your account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Miro login issues in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.